How's it going, everyone? I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you happen to be watching this. Let's get right into it. For this week's Travis Scott Astroworld unboxing, we start out with a olive green bear over-dyed crew neck from the leg 2 of the tour. As you can see, you got Astroworld, Wish You Were Here on the back, along with the tour dates from the second leg. Very nice piece. Next we have the Astroworld leg 2 hoodie. Let's see if it'll focus in on that. You got the tour dates on the chest, really small there, with the I Don't Want to Wake Up logo on the back. The back of this sweatshirt is basically the logo on the front, just enlarged. Next up we have another Travis Scott jacket. I previously showed a camo one in my last video, but this one is the black version of the No Bystanders jacket. Here you got the tour dates from leg 1, and on the back you got No Bystanders in that red print. Next up is a long sleeve from the leg 2. You got the skeleton on the carousel horse. An Astroworld, and then all of the dates on the back of the long sleeve t-shirt. Here is a long sleeve from the first leg of the tour. Just Wish You Were Here big with the popcorn on the bottom. No tour dates on this one, just Astroworld tour. But like I said, this is from the first leg. You got another popcorn at the bottom. Next up is the t-shirt version of the sweatshirt that I just showed, with the Astroworld and then the leg 2 tour dates right there on the front. But the back of this one has a skeleton hand holding a fish in a bag instead of the I don't want to wake up logo. Nice bubble print on this one. I like that design a lot. Here we have a Wish You Were Here white t-shirt from one of the Los Angeles shows. You got Astroworld with a star, DSM 2019, Los Angeles. I haven't seen any other people with this design so far. And last but not least, we have my favorite piece, which is a peach bear with the skeleton hand logo. This is a very nice shirt. It really pops. And then on the back, Astroworld with the tour dates of leg 2. As you are most likely familiar with, here is an overview shot of everything that I picked up in this week's Travis Scott unboxing. Thank you guys for watching, and please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to be notified when I upload future videos. I plan to keep making videos like this as long as I am still able to afford and get a hold of more Travis Scott items. Yeah, leave a like if you enjoy these type of videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.